everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a really cool concept that I have been trying for about 2 weeks now. So here I am talking about customized shampoo, conditioner and hair serum for my hair needs and hair requirement. The moment I saw this whole product kit, I was really very excited to try them all. And now here I am to give you my honest opinion and reviews on this brand. So those who don't know, Freewill is a brand that customizes your hair care kit, either it's your serum or shampoo or conditioner, and they also write your name on it. Like, how cool is that? So first let's talk about the brand. This is what I received. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner, and this one is the hair serum. Now first let's talk about how you can order your personalized hair kit. So they have a sort of survey on their website where they ask you certain questions about your hair problem, like about your hair, and based on that they personalize your hair care product. So now go to their website and fill out some details that they need. From here I'm going to personalized hair kit, and then first my hair type is straight, then my hair they are dry, my scalp is dry and length is longer than shoulder. Then I'll try to just go on with the thickness, and then my volume is moderate. Then I have a little bit itchy scalp and I have a little bit of dandruff sometimes. Then I get a lot of hair fall, and then I said no, and then again I'll say no because I haven't done anything on my hair. So these are the basic questionnaires that you have to give answers of. So I was using BBlunt, so I wrote here, and here hard water, and now you have to select 3 things, and these are my main problem, like volume, strengthen and then anti-frizz. And I like to choose green color, and you have to write your name which you want to be imprinted on the bottle. And now I am going to talk about every product like one by one and how they worked for me. So first, talking about the shampoo, there were 4 colors: green, like this one, mint green; blue, like aqua sort of blue; and it was like powdered pink and powdered orange. These were the 4 colors, and also you get to choose your own fragrance as well. Like I'm in the fragrance avocado, and here you can see my name imprinted on the bottle. So I love the color, I love the fragrance. The fragrance is like so sweet and pleasant, like it is not at all overpowering. And as you can see, the product is runny. I've been using this for 2 weeks and I did at least 5 to 6 washes, and I just used this much because for my hair length, like it is up to here, like longer than my shoulders. So you just need 2 or 2.5 pumps. That's it. So the shampoo is sulfate free, so it is like really mild, and it doesn't strip off the moisture from your hair, which I really love. It doesn't form, you know, some crazy lather. It is like very mild, just like a typical sulfate free shampoo, but still it cleanses really well. So let me show you the color and texture of this shampoo. Like you can see how runny is this. When I'll do this, it is going to, you know, fall, and it is all over the surface as well. So this is how the color look like, and the fragrance is really awesome. I already told you. Like, so yeah, when you are using this shampoo, so please do not fool yourself with the heavy amount of lather. Just use 2 or 2.5 pump, and that is enough. So now you must be wondering that I haven't said words about it, like how it worked for me and what I felt. I am going to tell you at the end of this video. First I am going to describe every product, and then I'm gonna combine them all and tell you how it worked for me. So yes, now let's move on to the conditioner. So this is how the conditioner bottle looks like, and this is 150 ml. So yes, you might feel like the quantity is very less, but it's not that case because you need very little amount of this product. Like you can see how much I have used in 6 washes. So yes, but let me tell you, the conditioner is really thick. Like you can see, it is not even dropping, but this conditioner, it moisturizes so well, you guys. And for my hair length, I just use 2 pumps of this product because it's really thick. You can see like it is not moving anywhere. It is so thick, just like a cream. You can see its texture. It is very thick and the fragrance is like same as a shampoo, and it is very pleasant. Like, you know, it is so good that you want to eat it. It is that good. So how I use this conditioner, like once I'm done with the shampoo, I towel dry my hair, and then I use 2 pumps of this. I just warm it up like this and apply it to the length of my hair. You don't have to apply this on your scalp, and then I leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. That's it, and then I rinse it off with the plain water. And now talking about the serum, you can see how choose a bottle it is, but it is very effective, let me tell you that. Also, you just need 4 drops of this. Like this serum is 30 ml. Let me show you the texture first. I really love this dropper kind of packaging. It ensures that you are using the right quantity of the product. So it is very thick, like you can see. So now how I use it, so once I'm done with the shampoo and the conditioner, I towel dry my hair. So I use this serum when my hair are like damp. So I just take 4 drops and I do it like this way, warm it in between my hand, and then I apply it to the length of my hair, not to the scalp. So yes, it worked pretty well because I do not want you all to waste your money on any product recommended by me. So I always do a little research on the product, whatever product I am reviewing. So yes, I did a little research on these products as well. So first of all, I always read the ingredients, whatever ingredient is there, and wherever I'm using, whether it's my hair or my skin, whatever. So I was really curious like what ingredients they are using for my hair need and my hair problems. So there are ingredients written at the back of these bottles. So I thought of why not to contact someone who received the same hair kit. So I contacted her and she sent me the details of the ingredients that she received. And I was really shocked to see the ingredients were same, like her ingredients were same as mine. And though she had like curly hair and I have straight hair, I was really curious to know that. So I reached out to the brand because this was very misleading to me, and they connected to me a person who was like their hair care specialist, and then she explained me everything in details. I asked her so many questions and she was like so calm. So yeah, really thanks to her for just solving all my questions and answering all my questions. So she explained ingredients are mostly same for every hair type, but what differ is the proportion they are adding according to different hair type. So they kind of change the proportion of ingredients for different hair types, which actually makes sense now. So now my take on these products. It feels really nice after using this combo on hair. Maybe you call it the fragrance, maybe you call it the texture, maybe you call the smoothness it gives. All these 3 products come in one kit and it retails for ₹615, but I am going to leave a code for you all on the screen and also in my description box, so you can check there and you will get 10% extra discount. So now let me start explaining you what my hair problems were and how much it helped me to just solve these problems. Was volume for sure. I needed to just calm down that frizziness that I have. Dry scalp because I really have a very dry scalp. Strengthen and hair fall. All these things were like my hair problem, and now what I noticed after using this shampoo is smoothness 110%. So it really helps to give intense moisture to your scalp. Then anti-frizz, definitely yes, you can't see any frizziness in my hair. It really helps in that. Then talking about hair fall, which is like a serious issue, then definitely I have noticed 40 to 50% change in my hair fall. Like earlier I used to shed my hair, like seriously shed my hair, like some leaves are shedding from the tree. My hair fall was that bad, but now whenever I comb my hair there is a very little hair fall, so definitely I'm happy about that. So yeah, overall if you want to ask me whether I'm satisfied with their products or not, then yes, 100% I am satisfied. You can go and grab these products, they are super awesome. It is going to help you with your hair problems, so yes, definitely. And if you ask me whether I'm going to buy again or not, then yes, hell yes, I am going to buy them again. So yes, if you have any other recommendation or any query, then let me know in the comment section below. Before you leave, do not forget to check the description box and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.